Hi everyone, welcome back in the Angular 7 video tutorial, and in this video tutorial we will learn how we can just quick start with the Angular. So what are the components, what are the models and how they execute, and first of all what file we will be going to execute. We will understand with this all these things with this simple diagram also, but before that I am going to show you the file structure of the Angular in the code. Okay, so when you just install the Angular, which is we just do in the last video, if you want to see that you can watch the link in the description box also. Okay, so you will find the structure like this. Okay, so the most of our every stuff is mentioned in the source folder, and in the source folder there is a lots of file. Okay, so in the app.js we will write our core code. Inside the assets we will put the like images and style and this kind of stuff. And environment, we will set the environment, is it the production and is the development environment, what we are working on it. Okay, so they are able to handle the messages and warnings, all these things, sorry. And after that, the very major, there is a two file. One is the index.php. Inside the index.php, this is the you can see that there is the app.root. The everything is start from the here, and after that your code will directly go to the main.ts file, and you will see that in the main.ts file you have the important import everything like the environment, and in the app file also. Okay, app model also. Okay, so now just go deep inside the app folder, and when you just open it you will find the 5 basic file here, and the topmost file here is the app.model.ts. Okay, in the Angular project you must have at least one model file, which is the app.model.ts file. When you make the more model, you will write the model code. You have to import your module code here. Okay, so what is the model now? Let's say you want to an application to the admin and user with the chatting and all these things. So model can be like, first model can be the admin, second model can be the user, third can be the chatting, and the another one is can be the channels and pages, groups and all these things. Okay, so now you will see that the 4 more files are here. This is the component. Okay, so component is responsible for a specific one unit. For example, sign up, login, reset password, all these things. Okay, so you will find the 4 files here. Okay, like the ts file, css file, html file, spec.ts file and ts file. We will talk about this inside with this diagram. Okay, so here you can see that we have a top module which is the app.module. Here you can import many another model also. For that you have to just import here and you can put directly here. Okay, so it can be the user, admin and whatever you want to put. Okay, these are the modules. Now if one module can have many components also, for example login, sign up, setting and reset password, profile, all these things. Okay, so for that you can see that we just made it here, and every component have at least 4 files. So you can do it everything in a single file also, but this is the preferred way that you have to write the 4 files. One is the HTML file, which is the login.html, login.css, login.ts and login.spec.ts. Login.html is responsible to write the tags or markup language. Login.style, CSS file is used for write the styles. Login.ts file is used for write your code logic, like you want to put some for loops and you want to make some functions, you want to call some functions and submit the form code, write things. Okay, and login.spec.ts file is used for your testing the codes. Okay, so these are the files, we will discuss them. We will work them in the next videos all. Now just try to make some changes inside the application. Okay, so here you can see that we have the welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, when you just open in the HTML file, you will see that welcome to and a double curly brackets the title. Okay, this title is coming from the same app.component.ts, and here it is. You can see that, and the two files are binded here, like the HTML and CSS file with the binded in the TS file. Okay, so now let's say do some alert here. First of all, I'm just going to make a constructor. Inside the constructor, I just call a try alert function. I'm going to make it. Okay, so just write here try alert. But as a normal CSS, you will find an error. Normal JavaScript, you will find an error that this is not available here. Why? Because this is the class model, so that you have to put here this dot your function name, so you are able to call it. Okay, then you can see that you are able to call it here. Okay, so now when I let's say just print here title for now. For that you have to also write this dot title, because the every property, every function inside the class with you have to call with the this. Okay, so now just go to the HTML file. Here you don't need to put it with the .ts file, with the this dot variable name or this dot function name. You can directly call it the function name, because this is not your class file. Okay, so that's why we don't need this dot title. Okay, so this is the basics about how we can start with the Angular code, and in the next video we will learn something new about the Angular. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you have any kind of suggestion, you can put me in the comment box. Thanks guys.